Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Corona, local, and long-distance movers near me. When you need to move, you need a reliable and cheap Corona moving company. 3 Movers is the right choice for your local or long-distance move. We provide moving services no matter the size of your home or business. Our team can help you move a dorm room, large home, office, warehouse, or any other type of business. We provide the moving services you need for long-distance moves. Our team will make sure all your things are fully protected for the journey. Whether you're moving 100 miles or 2,500 miles, we're here to help. Some of the moving services we offer include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. The cost of hiring a California moving company for a local move might seem hard to rationalize. However, as you realize the many benefits, it becomes easier. You won't need to spend nearly as much time or energy on your move. A moving crew will load the truck and unload it for you. They can even do the packing and unpacking if you need to save even more time. When you work with a top moving company such as 3 Movers, it means you'll gain many benefits. We streamline the moving process to make your local move simple. A move that might take you a week to complete, we can get it done in one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Corona moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.